Alright, kids. Quiet down! I had a rough weekend. A huge headache right now. I didn't have enough time to come up with a lesson plan, so I just printed out some packets for you guys to do. You can work in groups or in partners. Good luck.
Hey guys, I forgot to tell you. I just beat my old score in StarCraft and I officially mastered being a pro toss.
No way, that's awesome!
Guess what? I got a 2300 on my SAT.
That's terrible.
You call yourself an Asian?
Yeah. Well, look who's talking, mister. I got a 2200.
Hey man, cut me some slack. At least I got a 4.0.
What we have here is a typical stereotype that all Asians are smart and nerds. You may have heard that he or she's only smart just because they're Asian. Is this true? Not necessarily. See, Asian students study a different curriculum than we do, and when they come to the US, they may already be ahead, coincidentally. Oh yeah, and the gaming nerds, they actually have those out there. They have sports, and they have channels just for the gaming nerds. Let's use next, shall we?
Hey, what up, nerds?
Hey, I don't think I feel like doing the worksheets today. We should have the nerds do it for us, yeah? See how much cash they got. Let's see.
Ew.
No? You, come over here. Yeah, you get over here. Did you finish the worksheet? Call yourself a nerd? Who the hell do you think you are?
Hey, if you don't do your work, you should at least give us the money you brought today.
But I need that for my lunch.
Now shut up! And empty your pockets. I know the drill. Bullies. We have it about every culture. These gangsters. These Asian gangsters are usually the elders in Asian countries, and they usually pick on the young ones just because they're older than they are. They may dress or act a different way just to act tough. Let's see the next group of people, shall we?
There's nothing to watch or look at. Oh my gosh, you guys, look, Big Bang, you guys. He is so cute. He's so cute. Tan?
He's so mine. Everybody in the world knows, okay?
He is so mine. We all know he's mine. Girls, look at this. She danced with him and she got plastic surgery all over her face. Ew, no. That is so gross. Ew.
Like that.
These preppy, peppy, and fobby girls are usually teenage girls who follow a group, an artist, or a band and find out little details until they know everything about them. Their voices may be a little annoying at times, but at least they have a hobby. Let's see who's next.
Honey Bunchley Oogly Bear, guess why I'm so happy today?
Nice ass, Nicky Wilkins.
Because I have the most wonderful boyfriend in the world who loves me so much.
I must be the luckiest guy because I got the most adorable, the most beautiful, the most prettiest, the cutest girl in the whole wide world.
I know what you're all thinking. Aww. See, this is a typical Asian Asian couple in Asian countries. They usually dress the same way, call each other cute nicknames, and hold hands just to show their status of being in love. It's actually kind of sweet if you think about it. Let's see the athletes now.
Did you check out that game yesterday? We
Yeah, totally, but we can't let our guards down, you know? Gotta stay #1.
Yeah, I just hope some scouts come to our next game. I've been practicing like crazy these past few months.
Yeah, I know what you mean. I just hope we don't make no mistakes in our next game. I can't stand losing.
Now, these are the Asian athletes. Contrary to popular belief, they can't only play tennis. See, look who just won the World Baseball Classic, Japan. Asian athletes usually pursue their dream of being an athlete because it helps them get into 4 universities and get scholarships. But as you can see, not all Asians act like this. Can we see the normal Asians? The average Asian right here. What we have here are the average Asians, Kevin and Shion. They've been going out for 2 years now. They both have their own car. He has a job. He works at Wendy's. But as you can see, we're all a little different. Even though they look different, don't we all? If we all look the same, wouldn't the world be a boring place? Alright. Well, this is the end of our skit. I just gotta say, just say no to drugs. If it's not green, it's not clean.
We'll be your MCs for tonight's 2009-2010 Asian Assembly.
3 clubs, Asian Club, Korean Club, and the Polynesian Club, have all prepared a wonderful assembly for you guys.
So you guys ready? Well, first up, we would like to introduce you to some major countries of Asia through a flag ceremony.
Hello, I'm representing the country of China. Our capital is Beijing. The languages we speak are